Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all had a great yesterday by ending up in green. I did okay. Let's see what's happening here. Uh, as we can see, we are trying to break the trading range high pre-market. And yesterday we tried as well. Day before yesterday we tried as well. Our trading range from hourly chart on S&P is 199ish, which is our resistance as of now. And we did tried before earlier on a breakout when they made the resistance about 202. Let's see what's happening on the left here. If you see the price action here, uh, if you see the price action here, that's the same price action we have it here. If you see, because bulls are trying right now to break through this thing. If you see the indecision price action here, the same kind of a price action we have it here. Yesterday we had an indecision day when it closed near its open. So, what to expect now in this kind of a market? I think, as per my belief, as per my understanding, we are in a trading range price action, and trading ranges often disappoint bulls and they often disappoint bears at the breakout point. But as of now, the bulls are trying to take the 202 resistance and trade above here, and bears will be trying that is the high of the trading range, and they can get next leg down. I mean, oh, let's see the daily chart. Daily chart, if we see it, it looks like, like we are getting ready for the breakout. If we have our line over here, this is our support 196ish, and we are getting ready. We the if the accumulation is so prominent, if the accumulation is so supportive, we're gonna break up to the upside. But whereas if we see the monthly candle here, if we see the monthly candle here, this this thing here, like it is looking very bullish. We are in the first week of the month, and first week, often monthly candles, they go one side first week and first 2 weeks of the month, and then they reverse everything back. Same thing happened here. We were all the way down, and there at the end of the day we got this kind of a pullback. So as of now, I think it's going to be very difficult to trade, as we have. Let's go back to hourly. As we are trading in a trading range price action, where often the breakouts fail, and we are trying the breakout here, which if failed, then we can see the next leg down again 186ish. But as of now, we have a lot of buying going on, which is very prominent, and it's looking like it's very promising that we can get the breakout here. Pre-market, we are trading above. Let's go to 5 minute. The pre-market, we are trading well above the yesterday's close. So what to expect after the open? Like I will be trading this guy again after some time, after 15-20 minutes of the open. As I need to see if this is our resistance 199.71ish, the trading range resistance. We might see it poke there and come back down and trade around here and give us an indecision day again, or give us like a trading range day again. So possibilities are that today it can be a trading range day, or we can see poking through 199ish, like very very neutral day, as per it's looking as of now, because it's not above 199 is it's about getting ready to break out. But do we get right kind of a volume that we can trade above this, and we can go above our main resistance, which is 202.85ish? So as of now, very neutral. I'll wait for 30 to 60 minute candle. It can be very climatic, it can be very confusing in first few minutes of the day. I mean, like, because as per now, every bull in the market, they are thinking, okay, we are going up, once it open, or they are buying pre-market, they're buying 8 o'clock, they're just buying hoping that this is the low of the day, or maybe they're gonna have their stop over here, 196ish. But if we poke through this and we had a bad leg down, then at the end of a day, if we didn't see the trend resumption, bull trend resumption, and not closing at its high in green, like we might see a last hour or last 2 hour bad sell off. Or if we trade up, maybe right now the bears are as well selling, hoping it to fail as it's the trading range high. Like most of the moves, when they reach their high in the trading range, or when they reach their low at the trading range, breakouts fail. So very confused day. I think I will not be trading first 30 to 40 minutes, maybe a scalp here and there, but overall the picture will be clear after 30-minute candle or the first hour candle. Good luck, everybody. I hope we all can do good today, and not let our mind distract with something uh, which can affect your performance. Like I'm very thankful to everybody who have supported me, and I'm learning from you guys. I'm just sharing what I know. Price action is something. If you go to my Twitter account, like at the trend line, pullback is likely, double bottom pullback, watch, trading range price action, bull breakout soon as of now. And all this is price action while it is occurring. Like if you see here, double bottom, 7:58, it's California time, so like we add 3 hours to it, it's 10:58. So yesterday at 10:58, okay. Okay, yesterday at 10:58, I saw this double bottom guy here. I believe it was here. Yep, I saw this thing here. If you see, I had my line here. At that time, I was not able to see all this price action. All this was not there. I was 10:58. Maybe close of this candle here. Let me check. Yep, close of this candle here. What I saw here is it's making lower highs. As you can see here, it's making lower high, and we can see all these tails in the bottom. So it was very prominent that I mentioned at 10:58, 10:58 double bottom pullback SPY watch. So that means this is all true price action. Like it's something which I've learned from Mr. Albrook. He's a great guy. Like he changed my life as a view. If you do not know what price action is, like it can be a wonder world for you. Like how can no indicators and just movement of the candles, movement of the price can give us all the information. Over here, I don't want to say I'm 100% perfect, but what I have learned from Mr. Albrook, what I have learned from different blog pages where I'm the member of. I'm just member of one site, which is Stock B Biz. It's a very good site to be member of. If you see here, it was it there. This was a very bad bear leg. Over here, the pullback, the second leg, was not able to go below this thing here, below the reversal. So this gives us a confirmation that the bears are not strong here. So our stop loss is 197.68ish, and after this close, I buy. Like I buy, I don't buy, that's secondary. We should buy, we should buy for a swing. So what happened here? We saw this swing, then we saw this reversal, this reversal came because maybe some computers are taking it as a double top failure here. You see the double top failure, and this was a pure wedge. Let's this guy here, is a wedge. Like one push, two push, three push down, and we saw the trend resumption. So basically it's all price action. It's all what I have learned from you guys, what I'm learning, and I'm sharing my thought that this is very easy, this is very predictable. If we know what's happening, we can really make a lot of money. At the similar time, if you see 30 minutes before my double bottom mentioning, I mentioned that it's at its trend line. So like if you see here, let me just take this guy here. I believe I had this kind of a trend line drawn. I don't remember what kind of trend line I had, but there was some kind of a trend line that there was a bounce which 1025. So this is here. Maybe I believe what I would have at that time is this line here. And if you see, we saw the pullback, but there was no right entry. So every minute the trend lines are changing. Every minute you're looking into the price action and getting more information. So it's all about probabilities. With the price action, the probabilities increase. So all on my Twitter account, I mentioned before those things are happening. It's not that I have taken this trade, I have not taken this trade, and all that. Just sharing why I put Apple, Netflix, Facebook for short watch, because our main market, because S&P, our index is giving a very bearish action. Similar way with Apple. Something is not right with this guy again today. With Apple yesterday, we were seeing a bearish action, but if you see, it was always making lower highs. So you really, this guy here, you really don't need much indicators around you, just few lines, like few trend lines, which can make a lot of money for us. I mean, how predictable it can get, like Facebook, it was very, very bearish. I did not trade it that, but it was very bearish. You see, it was just giving a very bad leg with the move of we have in our index S&P and QQQ and Dow and whatever. Like, so basically it's all it at the end of the day, it's all price action. Sometimes S&P move little bit bullish. Let's say this bullish action will not give good effect to, let's say, Facebook, let's say Netflix. So we are not looking at much bullish action here, but with the bear action in S&P, this bear action in S&P, we are seeing a lot of move in this stock. So that means like this stock is moving. Every pullback in S&P will be giving more effect in the bearish action in Netflix. So it's very simple, very easy if we know what we're talking about. So Albrook is a guy where I learned a lot from. There's a site, stockb.biz. That's a great site, just one site you need in your life, which can really improve your trading. A lot of good traders and a lot of uh, different traders who don't know what they're talking about. So good luck everybody, and I hope this video makes a lot of sense to everybody and we can make a lot of money. I'll see you soon on my Twitter account. Bye bye.